Yeah, and Bill, as you mentioned, he also touched on the new statewide numbers, an increase to 94, including that child in Gloucester County. Northam says the child is at home recovering with parents. And we also saw a significant increase for testing Virginians for coronavirus, almost threefold over yesterday. The state lab says they now have test kits for 1,000 additional patients. But the majority of today's news conference with the governor was about steps his administration is taking to mitigate the impacts the virus has been having on our day-to-day lives. Among the steps being taken is to grant extensions on tax payments, both for February sales taxes due Friday and income taxes due May 1st. Officials say they will liberally grant one-month extensions. Finance Secretary Aubrey Lane says while the government's focus has been on public health, they do realize the coronavirus will impact the economy, Virginians, and the state budget.
Anyone that would tell you that they know exactly where this is going to end up is just not being credible, because it's a fluid situation. Things are changing rapidly. All we know is going to have a significant impact on all three.
Also on the business front, Northam says the state's application with the Small Business Administration to access federal loans was approved Thursday, but Northam adds businesses are seeing layoffs because of the coronavirus slowdown.
As of yesterday, we've received 10,000 unemployment claims from Virginians.
Another step the government is taking involves the state's Medicaid program, including eliminating co-pays for services and extending prescription refills for 90 days.
We want to make sure that any Medicaid member who is sick can seek medical attention without worrying about how they're going to pay for it. We also want to reiterate that Medicaid coverage also covers testing and treatment for COVID-19.
And Northam says he's also directing state police to suspend enforcement of motor vehicle inspections for the next 60 days. And at today's news conference, Northam was asked whether or not he's considering extending any of the orders that he has issued so far, such as that 2-week closure of schools K-12 throughout the state. He says that the virus is developing day to day, and he is looking at his orders as they come up, and says right now he has not made any decisions about extensions. Working for you at the state capitol, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.